Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, or welcome to the channel if you're new here. And in today's video we have the ORLY Spring 2025 collection. They sent this to me as PR and you guys can get a little preview here. And this seems to be the extra perks that you would get this season from ColourPass. The box is really cute. Ooh, I have never seen packaging this cute for a ColourPass drop before, to be honest. Because usually they come in like the plain regular boxes. It doesn't have like this kind of like design, you know? All right, first up we have Shag and Wagon. As usual, I'll put the names down here in the corner. This looks to be a nude. That applies like a dream. I think I grabbed a little too much, but oh, that was beautiful. We will take two coats, especially on this nail, which is my ridgy nail, but it doesn't matter. It's almost perfect. So up next we have Hunky Dory. These brushes are beautiful, perfection. This is gonna be a 2-coater as well. And then up next we have Night Fever. This is gonna be a quick video because it's just 6 polishes. There might not be too much to say. I'm not gonna make something up just to fill up time. If the polishes are perfect, then there's nothing to discuss and that's it. Now you guys know. I have to say this color is fantastic in person. I don't know if it's showing too orange for you, but it does have a certain brightness. Like it's almost neon in person. It's not the, I think on camera here it might be showing like the street cone orange. It's not like that. It has like a coral undertone to it. It's really pretty. And this nude is actually really great as well. Because the little bit of pink undertones that it has make it good for my skin tone, because I think I have like maybe yellow undertones. So when neutrals have that, it just washes me out. But if something has a tiny hint of pink, then it works for me. I do like this yellow orange, and I don't know, some people might say it's like a very warm yellow. Some people might say it's an orange. The formula is really nice. This color that I'm putting on my index right now, oh my god, it is pedicure heaven. This is gonna be pedicure heaven. It is perfect. So here you have the first 3. All right, let's try the glitter. This one's called Acid Trip, and as you guys know, any glitter you can sponge it on and you will get the exact look that's in the bottle. So I'm not gonna do that. I do have a video on how to do that, but I just want to see what the payout is without sponging. This looks packed with glitter. This is a glitter bomb. We might have to do a couple coats for like full coverage on this, but wow. This is perfect for Thanksgiving actually. I know it's a spring collection, but it doesn't matter. Up next we have Bohemian Child, and this is the one that I thought felt like acrylic, so we'll see how it actually applies. Like it gives vibes from like indie brands, you know? And it is exactly that. This feels like acrylic from an indie brand. And then the last one is Bell Bottom Blues. Okay, all 3 formulas are very good. Actually, all 6 in this collection so far have been really good. And I'm very impressed and surprised and all the things about this white, because it really does feel like acrylic from an indie brand. All right, so I have to say that I am very impressed by these 2 polishes, because this is 2 coats and there's full coverage. I would not need to sponge anything, so it removes a lot of work from us. When just at 2 coats, it looks as if it was sponged. And this one looks like acrylic from an indie. At 2 coats, it's perfectly opaque and even. And I understand that if you're used to indies, this is nothing, because we get these all the time in all sorts of like gorgeous color combinations, like the little specks. You know, it's whatever, right? But for mainstream, this is quite something, in my opinion. Oops. And then this one was perfect at 2 coats. The shift from the bottle, this green thing, doesn't translate to the nail too much. I'm gonna check it in the sun now, like my light that looks like the sun, and we'll see how it looks like. I just bumped my nail and against something, I don't know. But yeah, as you can see, the shift doesn't look like it's there under this lighting, and then if you put it in the sun it will show, but it's very delicate. So I mean, it is also delicate in the bottle. It's not that it's like super like in your face, but I wanted to test it against that light. Now, one thing I noticed, and I don't know if it's because of the theme of this collection or if it's just a change, the logo on this collection looks different. This is an older ORLY polish. It's called Ripple Effect. And you can see that the logo is different. Now, I guess we'll see, you know, if everything else from now on looks like this or if it's just this collection because it has that 70s theme, you know. So I did want to bring that up. All right, so now as a collection, I feel like there's kind of like a disconnect here. It's weird because when I saw the flyer, it looked great. It looked like it goes, you know, but there's other like little flowers here in the background. Everything looks like it flows. But then these two look like they don't belong here. Like there's something going on here that doesn't match this. But then if you remove these two, or maybe maybe if you just, I don't know, this white, it doesn't feel like, these two don't feel like they match. Like maybe even like this will be okay with two other colors that somehow tie into the undertones of these. It will be more coherent. But I don't know. I mean, I like them all individually. They're all great. But as a collection, it does feel kind of odd. Like maybe you remove this one, this is still okay. I don't know. There's something about this white being here that doesn't seem to go together. Maybe if the little black specks that you see here were maybe like this color and this color, then it would tie it all together. But it's like black and white. Let me see if I can focus. Yeah, they look like little black tiny details. I don't know. But anyways, as far as quality, they're all great. If you like any of these, if they have a place in your collection, you're not gonna have any trouble. Thank you so much for clicking on my video, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.